Hippophae rhamnoids information. Hippophae rhamnoids, commonly known as sea buckthorn, is a deciduous shrub that belongs to the family Eleniaceae. It is native to Europe and Asia and is widely distributed throughout the Himalayas, China, Mongolia, Russia, and Northern Europe. Sea buckthorn is known for its medicinal properties and is used in traditional medicine for its anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, antioxidant, and anti-tumor activities. The shrub can grow up to 6 meters in height and has narrow, silver-green leaves that are 3 to 8 centimeters long. The fruit is a small, orange-yellow berry that is approximately 6 to 9 millimeters in diameter and is rich in vitamins, minerals, and bioactive compounds. The berries are commonly used in the production of jams, jellies, juices, and syrups. The oil extracted from the berries is also used in cosmetics and skincare products. Sea buckthorn is a hardy plant that is tolerant of a wide range of soil types, including sandy, saline, and alkaline soils. It is often used in land reclamation projects to stabilize soil and prevent erosion. The plant is also used in agroforestry systems as a nitrogen fixer and as a fodder crop for livestock. Overall, Hippophae rhamnoids is a versatile and valuable plant with a wide range of uses and benefits.